Take command of the road in the 2005 Toyota 4Runner. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Toyota are offered, including power trunk closing assist, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, a trailer hitch, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.